Hi students, you are welcome to our lesson. My name is Dr. Abdullah Ragga. Today's lesson is solution of linear equation in one variable. Before you are telling about this solution of a linear equation in one variable, let me remind you our previous lesson that is linear equation in one variable. As we said before, it is expressed as form of ax plus b is equals 0. We said that this is a linear equation in one variable. Why it is one variable? Since x is the only variable that we have, the only unknown. That's why a and b are, we say they are constants, and to be linear a must be different from 0. We said this one. Let us consider our today's lesson. The set of numbers that make the sentence true when they are substituted for the unknown is called, that is, a solution set. This is solution as well as set. Let us consider different examples on this. Find the solution set of the following. It says, if we consider the first one, x minus 8 is equal to 0. It says, what how? The solution becomes x minus 8. We are the same number, that is 8 in both sides. That means it becomes 0 plus 8. X minus 8 plus 8 is what? That means the opposite of two equal number. When take their sum, it becomes 0. We are familiar for this one. This is x plus 0 is equals 0 plus 8, that is 8. X plus 0 is what? 0 is additive identity. It doesn't change a value that we have. So x is equals 8. Here we obtain the value of x is 8. Let us check whether it satisfies or not our problem. That means check when x is equal to 8. When you check this one, instead of x we take what? That is 8. So it becomes 8 minus 8 is equals 0. You see, you have to reduce a number by itself. It becomes 0 is equals to 0. So it satisfies and it is balanced. If that so, the solution set for our problem is what? Put it inside the set notation. That means it is 8 under the set notation. Similarly, we can find the solution for this one. X plus 7 is equals 0. Again, here is pluses. In case of this negative 8, we add the same number in both sides. In case of plus, we take what? The difference. Subtract the number that is constant 7. This becomes x plus 7. Subtract it in both sides. This is equals what? 0 minus 7. We are familiar that the difference of a number with itself, that is 0. This becomes x is equal to 0 minus 7. Nothing we have 0 minus 7. It means what? It is losing. So it becomes negative 7. The value of x is negative 7. Let us try to check whether it satisfies our problem or not. Check when x is equals negative 7. When you check this one, instead of x, what we take? Negative 7. This becomes negative 7 plus 7 is equals 0. You see? Negative 7 plus 7 means what? The difference of the number is itself. That means 7 minus 7. This becomes 0 is equals what? 0. It satisfies the equation here. If that's so, the solution is x is equals to negative 7. The solution set is what? We add set notation. That means negative 7 under what? The set notation. If that's so, we call this is the solution set for our problem. I think this is so clear. If it is subtraction, you have to add in both sides. If it is addition, you have to subtract in both sides. After that, you get the value of x's or variables or unknowns that we have. Let us continue for the next one. It says that 2x minus 12 is equals 0. Here we have what? Subtraction. If we have subtraction, we add both sides. After equal sign, the constant that we have, negative 12. This means that is 2x minus 12 plus the same number, that is 12 is equals 0 plus 12. We add the same number in both sides. Is that so? The equality sign or the equal sign still exists or it is balanced. Negative 12 plus 12, that is 0. So that is 2x is equals 0 plus 12, that is 12. We obtain this one. By transferring this negative 12 to the right side, it becomes what? Positive. It becomes 12. To find the value of x, divide both sides by the number that is 2. Twice of x is equals 12. This means divide both sides by 2. What the value now? We cancel this 2 by 2. What remains? X is equals to 12 divided by 2 is what? That is 6. So the value of x is, that is 6. Let us check it whether it satisfies our equation or not. When x is equals 6, you have to consider this one. Now instead of x, we take what? That is 6. So 2 times our x is what? 6. This minus that is 12 is equals 0. I check this one. 2 times 6, that is 12. 12 minus 12 is equals 0. You have to reduce a number by itself. It is equal to 0 is equals to 0. They are equal. If that's so, this implies that the solution set for our problem, the solution is 6. But when say the solution set, we must put it inside the set notation. This is equal to 6. We can find in such forms. The next one, it says that 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Similarly, we use the same procedure to solve such equations. What we have, this is addition 9. So we subtract this 9 in both sides. 3x plus 9 minus 9, the same number, is equals 0 minus that is 9. We know 9 minus 9 that is 0. So it becomes 3x plus 0 means that is 3x, which is equals 0 minus 9, that is negative 9. This means 3 times of the unknown variable that is x is equals negative 9. What the value of x? To find the value of x, divide both sides by 3. This is divided by 3. This is the same, divide by 3. We cancel this 3 by 3. So it is 1. 1 times x is what? That is x. Since 1 is multiplicative identity, doesn't change the value of what? The variable that we have x, which is equals negative 9 divided by 3. Negative 9 divided by 3 means what? This becomes negative 3. If you add negative 3 times 3, it becomes negative 9. Because of that, the value of x is equals to 3. After that, let us try to check it whether it satisfies or not our equation. When x is equals to what? Negative 3. Negative 3. For the value now, this is instead of x, we take negative 3. 3 times negative 3 plus here is 9 is equals to that is 0. We can check. 3 times negative 3 that is negative 9 plus here is 9 is equals 0. Negative 9 plus 9 is that is 0. 0 is equals 0. Yes, they are equal. If that's so, this satisfies our equation. So the solution set for our problem is equals negative 3 inside the set notation. So in generally we can say that what we summarize from this, if you have ax plus b is equals 0, we transfer this b to the right side. That means how can you transfer? This is ax plus b minus the same b is equals 0 minus b minus b is the same number. If you reduce the number by itself, it becomes what? 0. This becomes ax plus here is 0 is equals 0 minus b, that is negative b, negative of b. Ax plus 0, 0 is additive identity, doesn't change the value of x. Ax, this is equals negative of b. After that, to find the value of x, divide both sides by a. This is divided by a, this is divided by a. What? This means x is equals negative b over a. Since a is different from 1, we said here a is different from 0. We can't find different. This is the solution for our problem. To be solution set, this is the solution set. If we put it, this value inside the set notation, that is negative b over a. If that's so, this becomes solution set. Otherwise, x is equal negative b over a is the solution, since it satisfies what? The given problem that we have. We can check it this as a forms. How can you check this? For any value, check it. This is x is equals negative b over what? That is a. We insert this value inside of x. What? Wow, this is a into negative b over a times this one plus b is equals to 0. We can consider this one. What? Wow, since this is at the numerator, this is at the denominator, what remains? The remaining one is negative b plus b is equals, that is 0. Negative b plus b, that is 0. 0 is equals what? That is 0. Yes, they are correct. They are equal. Yes, they are balanced. So this is the solution for our problem. We can say that negative b over a is a solution. When say the solution set, we add one more what? The set notation, that is set notation, and we put it the solution inside the set notation. If that's so, that is solution set. If you have any question regarding this and any others that we discussed before, you are welcome. It is enough for today. Bye bye.